Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Industrial Data Monitoring on IoT. So, temperature sensor, smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, and PIR sensor. So, temperature, smoke, LDR, fire, PIR. So, let us coming into the block diagram. So, here we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and 5 sensors we are using LM35 temperature sensor, smoke sensor, MQ2 gas smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, and PIR sensor. So GPRS, we are sending the data to Android app web page. So each and every parameter, temperature, fan alert, MQ2 gas sensor, relay coil, one LED on, LDR sensor, same LED 2 on, fire sensor, alarm as well as LED 3 on, PIR sensor, LED 4 on, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on LCD, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here sensors are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Analog pins it is connected, and digital pins are 2, 3, 4, 5 for relay, fan and alarm, 7 and 6. Let us coming into the hardware part. So let us coming into the hardware part. Here we are using two power supply source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, same to same. Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, alarm, some DC fan, LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 gas smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, PIR sensor, and 4 relay coils, smoke, LDR, fire, PIR, and GPRS modem SIM 800L. So here we are using Airtel SIM card. Okay, so here we are using Airtel SIM card. Let's start with the power supply. So we are using two adapter power source. So one for here, so another one for here. Okay, so we can monitoring the data onto the web page. Okay, let's start with power supply. So industrial monitoring system, Android app, GSM testing, disable echo, HTTP. Okay, so fire, temperature 22, smoke yes, LDR, no fire, no PIR. Now I am showing the fire here. Oh, okay, sending data web page, it is interchanged. Okay, send completed. Here it will show fire S. We will receive one SMS alert also. Yeah, we received fire alert. Fire alert SMS received. So internet is slow. Okay, now I am giving the smoke sense temperature. Every 10 counts it will send the data to server. Temperature 81, temperature 81, it will come. fire equal to yes. Okay, now I am going to increase the temperature. Yeah, sending data to web page. $74 it came. Yeah, 75. Okay, now I am going to give gas alert. Gas. Okay, gas blue color LED is on. Gas LED is also on. Gas LED, same to same LED is also on. Check it. Okay, sending data. So here it will come 200 or some value it will come. Gas sensor using cigarette lighter. Okay, yeah, 225 the value came. So meanwhile we are getting the alerts, email alerts, a light detected, high temperature, and as well as we are getting the fire alert, PR alert, over temperature, gas alert. So if it is dark, so meanwhile I am keeping the LDR should be dark. Straightforward, this LED is also on. Okay, so all data we are getting on web page. Okay, now LDR will be dark, that opposite LED is also on. So LDR 127. Okay, so PIR detected. It 2 times continuous PIR detected, then only the data will come, message will come. Gas detected, fire detected, and the sensors data. Okay, temperature, smoke, LDR, fire, PIR. Okay, so last time it detected PIR also. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded. Fire, sorry, in motor, fan, cooling fan, temperature sensor, gas sensor, LDR sensor, pure. Okay, totally close. Sending data, sent completed, LDR 0. So LED is on. LDR. LDR LED is on.